Preparing meals after a long day can feel overwhelming, especially when time is tight and energy is low. That's where electric pressure cookers come in, offering a fast, hassle-free way to whip up delicious, home-cooked meals without the effort. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the top 5 best electric pressure cookers, highlighting models designed to save you time, simplify cooking, and deliver mouth-watering results. Also, don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details on each product, and be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future reviews. Starting our list at number 5 is the Fullwill electric pressure cooker. This pressure cooker Uni 6-quart transforms your kitchen with 9 appliances in one, combining a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, and more. Its 12 customizable presets allow effortless preparation of meals like soups, rice, and even cakes, offering unmatched versatility for everyday cooking. Cooking up to 70% faster than traditional methods, it's perfect for busy households, saving both time and energy. Safety is paramount, with over 10 enhanced safety features, including overheat protection and a safety lid lock. Its angled steam release design ensures hands-free venting, minimizing burn risks. The PFOA-free non-stick inner pot promotes healthier cooking and easy cleaning, while the 6-quart capacity suits family meals or gatherings. For convenience, safety, and versatility, it's a game-changer in modern kitchens. Next up, at number 4, we have Carori electric pressure cooker. This 9-in-1 electric pressure cooker elevates your kitchen with programmable functionality for pressure cooking, steaming, slow cooking, and even baking. Its IMD touchscreen offers an intuitive interface, letting you select from 12 versatile programs with a simple touch. No more struggling with buttons. The 1,000-watt power saves time by cooking meals 70% faster while retaining nutrients when slow cooking. Safety takes center stage with 16+ built-in features, including a steam release button, lid safety lock, and overheat protection, ensuring worry-free operation. Its non-stick, BPA-free ceramic inner pot promotes healthy cooking with less oil and effortless cleanup. The 6-quart capacity is perfect for family meals, accommodating up to 24 bowls of rice. With a 24-hour delay start, you can schedule meals in advance, making it a must-have for busy households seeking both convenience and versatility. At number 3, we have the Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker. This smart pressure cooker redefines home cooking with its built-in scale, guided recipes, and smart connectivity. Its auto pressure release system ensures safety, offering 3 steam release methods tailored to your dish: rapid, pulse, or natural. The built-in scale eliminates the need for measuring cups, allowing precise cooking by weight for easier prep and cleanup. With 1,000+ cooking presets and 600+ guided recipes via the Chef IQ app, it offers unmatched versatility. Simply select an ingredient and it calculates exact time and temperature settings. The app also updates the cooker wirelessly, ensuring it gets smarter over time. The 6-quart capacity suits families, while features like sous vide cooking and precise steaming make it a game-changer for culinary enthusiasts. Perfect for tech-savvy cooks seeking precision and convenience. Our second-place pick is the COSORI electric pressure cooker. This electric pressure cooker excels as a 9-in-1 multi-cooker, handling tasks like slow cooking, sous vide, sautéing, and more. Its 1,100-watt power ensures quick, even cooking for a variety of dishes, from tender chuck roast to creamy yogurt. The 30-degree angled steam release design and seal vent button prioritize safety by keeping your hands away from hot steam. Crafted from stainless steel with a ceramic-coated non-stick pot, this cooker is durable, BPA-free, and effortless to clean, thanks to its dishwasher-safe components. A real-time progress bar keeps you informed at a glance, while intuitive controls make operations simple, even for beginners. With 12 safety features like overheat protection and an anti-scalding lid, it's perfect for families or anyone seeking reliable performance. Its sturdy build, versatile presets, and user-friendly design make it a kitchen essential. Taking the top spot is the Instant Pot electric pressure cooker. The Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 is a powerhouse of versatility, replacing 7 kitchen appliances, including a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, yogurt maker, sauté pan, and warmer. Its 13 smart programs allow quick, one-touch cooking for everything from creamy risottos to fall-off-the-bone ribs. This 6-quart multi-cooker is ideal for families, accommodating meals for up to 6 people. The tri-ply stainless steel inner pot ensures even heating and is perfect for sautéing, while the fingerprint-resistant exterior and dishwasher-safe components make cleanup a breeze. With over 10 safety features, including overheat protection and a safe locking lid, it's a reliable addition to any kitchen. Whether you're slow cooking hearty stews or pressure cooking in minutes, this Instant Pot offers unmatched convenience and consistency, making it a must-have for meal preppers and home chefs alike. Electric pressure cookers are transforming kitchens with their versatility, speed, and convenience. From beginner-friendly models to advanced smart cookers, this list showcases the best options for every cooking style. Whether you need quick meals, precise recipes, or a reliable multitasker, there's a cooker here for you. Let me know in the comments which electric pressure cookers is your favorite. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and tips. Thank you for watching.